BizDev Agent tutorial. So in the previous tutorial, we've talked about how to install these agents, and we've shown how this agent works, and we've talked about what this agent can do for you. Now, from the last time I did a video on this particular agent till now, a lot has changed. That is why there is need that I do this particular video that I'm doing right now. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to download the agent. I'm going to show you how to pin the agent to your taskbar so that it's always working for you, how to configure your agent, how to search for job on Upwork, how to search for job on LinkedIn using this agent, and then how the job alerts work. I'm going to show you how to activate job alerts on your computer. So these are the things we'll be covering in this video, right? So I hope you enjoyed the video, and then yeah, I would like for you to comment anything you want me to make a video on about Tublian. If there's a particular feature you want me to make a video on, you can always comment it in the chat box. So let's get started. So for this, the first thing we are going to do is to go to Chrome Store, and then where we are going to install the Tublian BizDev Agent. So I just searched Chrome Store, selected the first tab, and what I'm doing here is to search Tublian on the search bar. Now this is the Tublian BizDev Agent, and then all I need to do is to say add to Chrome, add the extension, right? Once I do this, it has already added the extension to my Chrome, and then it added me to the guide. This is like the home page or the guide page. Now what I need to do is to pin this extension to my taskbar. Now I need to come look for the extension, and I select this pin icon beside it, and then the extension is automatically pinned to my sidebar, and it will always be on my sidebar, you know. So now you can go on and read everything here. This is how to install the page, how to do everything you needed to do. So now the next thing I need to do is to log into the Tublian dashboard, right? Log into my Tublian account. So this is my Tublian account. I didn't go through the sign-in process because I already have an account. So if you are new to Tublian, you need to actually sign up on Tublian. That might involve some processes. I can also do a video on that if you guys want me to. You can just comment that in the chat. I will do a video on that. So for me, I'm already logged in, so it just brought me to this page. This is my Tublian dashboard. A lot actually goes on the Tublian platform. A lot goes on, especially for developers, but that is not the scope of this video. So the scope of this video is that we look at how to configure the BizDev agent. So for me to configure my BizDev agent, all I need to do is to click on my profile, and then I select profile. When I am in here, still loading, I need to click on edit profile. When I get to edit profile, I am supposed to click on personalization, then I will see customize agents, right? So now you must not do all this. You can also just come here, open the sidebar, click on customize agents, and it will bring you automatically to the same page where I was. You see, it brings me automatically to the same page. So I click on customize agents, then I need to just put in community manager. Let me just type it again in case, yeah. So I need to select my preferred job type. I need to select email preference. This email preference is important because this is how frequent you want to get email updates with jobs. So we integrated this thing where people get emails anytime there's a new job update on the platform. So this is our way of keeping you in the loop anytime, making sure that you don't miss out on any job. So me, I want my email as soon as possible. I don't want them delayed a day. I want my emails to be coming in ASAP. So I have my desired rate, $5 per hour in USD, by the way. So yeah, I already said $5. So I click next. In this page, what I did here was to copy my old article before AI. I copied it and I pasted it here. So why I did that is because I wanted to understand my style of writing. Now this is important because you need to the AI needs to sort of understand what you are doing, the way you write, so that when you write your proposals for you, because this AI can write your proposals for you, wants to sound like you. So it's important that you use something that you've written by yourself on this page. So I click on save. I save changes here. Saving. Let's give it a minute. Yeah, it is saved. Now that we've configured the agent, next thing that we need to do is to go on Upwork and then look for job. But before we do that, I need us to open the sidebar and actually sync our agents. So once you sync your agent, what happens is that the settings you've done on that page automatically syncs to the sidebar with the Chrome extension. So everything is going to be in sync with you. So now that you've synced the sidebar, the next thing for you is to just use the agent. I think the agent is even already working for me. But the next thing you need me to do is just to like start searching for jobs. So there are two ways that this agent works. You can search for job for me, right? That is one way. Another way is that it alerts me whenever a job is posted on the platform. A job I can do is posted on the platform. So for this video, I'm going to sort of test out the two of them, how it works, because this platform for now works on Upwork and then on LinkedIn. It is working for Upwork and LinkedIn as we speak. So let's search for jobs on Upwork. So one of the ways we can do that is to say, oh, find me community jobs. Yeah, I just click search. So as you can see, it is session. So it's telling you the request to find community related jobs on Upwork, blah blah blah. So it's kind of updating you on what's going on. And then sometimes it can be chatty, it can ask you questions, tell you that okay, I'm trying to do this, or this works, or this didn't work, or do you want me to do this? You just have to keep, following it if you want to use it this way. So it's still session. So yeah, I found variety of community jobs on Upwork, including roles such as virtual assistant. So these are the things that I found for me. I think this is the virtual assistant one that it is talking about. Let's check when this job was posted. Can I see it? This job was posted 6 minutes ago. So as you can see, it was posted 6 minutes ago. Um, Only 5 people have sent proposals. Less than 5 people have sent proposals. So you see, you're a little bit ahead of the curve, right? Now, the other thing is also that this agent can send me notifications on this platform, right? But before we do that, let's go to LinkedIn. So I just open my LinkedIn to linkedin.com. I will come to the agent and I will say, hey, find me community jobs on LinkedIn. So it's going to ask me to give permission for it to be able to view my LinkedIn. Yeah, so I allow it to work on my LinkedIn. So it goes to work. So let's give it a few minutes. I want to show you guys how it works on LinkedIn, right? And one of the important things you need to know about this agent is that we are in the AI era. So it is important that you leverage AI in giving yourself advantage, especially in spaces like freelancing, right? It is very, very important because most of the guys you are competing with, they are faster than you, right? For someone like me who lives in a developing country, sometimes it can be, time can be a factor, you're chasing for jobs in country where their time zone is a little bit different. You need things like this to keep you up to date, sends you an email every time you have like a like some sort of okay, an error occurred. Let me try this. And anytime you have like some sort of you know there's some sort of job that you can do, it sort of alerts you. All you need to do is to configure it properly and then it goes to work for you. So yeah, so I think yes, this is my LinkedIn. It has opened LinkedIn for me, and it has shown me that oh, these are community jobs. It opened my LinkedIn for me, so I actually found the jobs for me. Yeah, junior social and community lead, job rights AI. So this job is in the United States. It was posted 18 hours ago, as you can see. He found most of the jobs for me. This is community manager at Restore. This is senior community operations, senior manager or community operations at Headway, right? So this is how you can use this platform to look for jobs on to look for job on Upwork and LinkedIn, right? So now the next thing is for me to show you how the job alert works. So the job alerts work in sense that on my Chrome here, I do get a notification pop up no matter where I am working on. Let's say I am on Slack chatting away with my colleagues, or I'm on Discord chatting with my community members. I get a notification that says, "Oh, this kind of job has been posted. Do you want to do it?" And then I'm like, "Okay, yes or no." I just click on the notification, it takes me to the job, and I apply. Now, um, there's no notification right now popping on my own, maybe because no job has been posted, but there's another way for me to show you. So if you come here and click on this tool, right? I found 5 community related job listing on LinkedIn, junior community at job rights AI. So yeah, those are the things you can see here. So as you can see, it is it is there's what they call job alert here, right? So this job alert shows you jobs that this agent has found for you. So yeah, so if you don't get no notification up here, just like I'm not able to demonstrate it here on this video, you can also just select the job alert. So if you come here and select job alert, it take you back to Tublian, and it's going to show you jobs, right? So this is an Upwork job that's a live host for TikTok and Instagram. Fixed price estimate at $850. So I can decide to explore job. So for example, I can decide to do this. So this is actually an Upwork job. Let's see. Oh, the job is no longer available. Oh, okay, no problem. Let's look at this job again. Let's hope. Okay, this one is available. So $100 fixed price, posted on August 6th. August 6th was like 6 days ago. That's a long time ago. So, but send a proposal for 7 connects, available connects, 10 connects. So let's assume that I want to apply for this job. All I need to do is to click on apply now, right? If I click on apply now, it's going to take me to a new page. So on this page is where I am actually going to apply for this job. Now, I'm going to tell it to help me. You see, all the fields I'm supposed to write. So I'm going to tell the agent, hi, help me apply for this job. For this job. So it's going to read my screen, and then it's going to by itself write this screen and apply for this job for me. You are going to see it in action. Yeah, I'm not here. My hands are here. They are working. So the AI agent is what is working on its own, right? So when it's done, it's going to tell me that it is done, right? So, and besides, I want you to also know the importance of updating your Tublian profile is that you need to make sure that your profile is up to date, because the information he's using to apply for this job for me is getting it from my profile. So on my profile, I've added my GitHub, I've added my LinkedIn, I've added my Twitter, I even uploaded my CV, right? So everything that this AI needed is on my Tublian profile. So make sure you configure your profile. It is key to this agent working properly for you. So the agent is still writing. I think it's done. So one good thing, the agent will never submit these things for you. They will write it and they will ask you to review them. So which is what I am doing right now. So my cover letter, I'm excited about your project. I believe my local expertise can help you navigate online presence based in Kerala. I have a strong grasp of. So you guys can see, you know, you wrote this thing for me. The AI wrote this. I didn't write this. So let's see. So yeah, all these ones are easy things that I can easily fill out by myself. And then this one is not so this is certification that are related to this project. So I can easily do this one by myself. Then make the attachments and then come here and submit. Send for 7 connect. So you guys, this is it. This is how the agent works. This is how everything about the agent works. I wish I could show you the notification. I've been hoping that notification will pop up while we are doing this video, but of course that is out of my control. But as you can see, the agent works. It's fantastic. I want you guys to give it a trial and tell me what you think. What do you think? Where do you think this agent can get better? Where do you think things can work better? How do you think we can make this agent better for you? So we love your feedback, and please make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, thank you so much, and see you in the next one.